Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you about the SERPWizz software working method. If you buy this, what you will get benefit from this software. Okay, so if you are finding the right SEO tool, then I think you already click my video and see my video. Okay, so this is the right SEO tool. Okay, if we are here, white label reports generate SEO performance audit, everything will be there, everything inside there within the software. So it's only $69. There is no big amount, only $69. It's lifetime deal. Audit SEO performance and generate detailed white label reports. So I think most of the person nowadays has or have like SERPWizz website, YouTube video, or like business industry. So I think 90% people need SEO. Okay, so I think now SEO will be the very easy for you. Your website, your YouTube video, your everything will be ranking in the Google #1. So what is the benefit from this software? So let's get started. Overview. SERPWizz is an SEO audit toolkit that tracks performance with wide level reporting features for detailed shareable audits. Just see the overview. Okay, SERPWizz instantly performs in-depth website audits and generates reports packed with everything you need to evaluate a site's SEO usability and performance. Audit all the important on-page SEO elements like title, tags, meta descriptions, headings, keyword consistency, internal links, and much more. You can also audit technical and off-page SEO elements like backlinks, page speed, site structure, site maps, and index page. You can customize your white label SEO reports with your company branding like logos, headers, and colors for a seamless client experience. Just follow the SERPWizz experience. SERPWizz offers a lot of benefits, okay, within 69 or only $69. So I think this will very helpful for you, and just buy from today and do your marketing very easily. Best of all, once you hand these reports off to clients and prospects, they will look they came straight from your team, not SERPWizz. Okay, SERPWizz also helps you generate leads. You can increase conversion by embedding your calendar link, videos, or anything. Access and organize all your SEO reports for leads right from the SERPWizz dashboard, ensuring that nothing falls through the cracks. So just follow my video, and what I want to give you understand, just notate it. So for the SEO good performance, for the auditing SEO, I think this software is very needing for you. Plus you can embed SERPWizz tool on your website for visitors to use independently. SERPWizz also makes it easy for you to know what your website best keywords are in just a few clicks. Go to my description link. Here you will get your link to buy, and I think you will get discount, and just from buy from today and do your SEO very perfectly and worldwide. So last but not least, that's why SERPWizz has wide leveling features that you offer a comprehensive SEO audit reports to your clients without breaking a sweat. So plan and feature what you will get from this software if you buy this feature, including all the plans. Just go to my description link. Here you get your link. Just buy from today, or just follow this video, or features included in the all plans. Just read here. Okay, so I think your SEO will be the easy within a minute, so you don't have to bother. So just share my video with your friends and share my video with your Facebook wallet. So thank you very much for watching my video.